Alright y'all, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing onion fritters. Never done it before. Got a recipe. Well, I saw it on YouTube. I'm just going to make it my own because I'm going to put a little more twist on it. And I don't like to copy everybody, you know. There's some other ingredients that I would like to put into it. So let me go ahead and get my onions chopped up because it's going to take a while. And I'll bring y'all right back, so stay tuned. Alright y'all, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and add my dry ingredients first. I'm calling for 3/4 cup of flour. All I got, self-rising flour, which be alright. Tablespoonful of sugar. Okay, now if you're using regular flour, all-purpose flour, be 3/4 cup also, plus 2 teaspoons of baking powder. But it also calls for a teaspoon of baking powder in the self-rising flour. So there we go. Got that done. Going down the list here. A teaspoon and a half of salt. That's probably it right there. Let's see, some black pepper. Calling for 1 teaspoon. I don't think my wife likes black pepper that much, so we're just gonna call that good enough. Okay. Got the sugar in there. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Put the lid right back on. Ain't even used it yet. I'm sorry y'all, I had a rough day today. Went to my chiropractor yesterday, got adjustment and massage, and I'm paying the price for it now. It's all good. 1 tablespoon of cornmeal. Alright. Right here, 1 tablespoon. Okay, I've got everything added but milk and the onions. Go ahead and put some of the lids on these containers so I don't make a mess. Alright, got some onion here. Now it's calling for 3/4 cup of milk. I hope we got some milk. Yeah, we do. What I got in my measuring cup? It's up here somewhere, hiding from me. There we go. Fairly simple. Of course, as usual, I haven't never done this before, so I don't know how it's going to turn out, but we're going to figure it out. Me a mixing spoon. The next thing I'm gonna do is mix all this up thoroughly. Makes it like a batter like. I reckon if you got some extra large onions, this would be good for onion rings. Smelling good. Hope y'all doing well today. Y'all go ahead and hit that like, subscribe button because y'all gonna love this recipe. A little taste. Alright, it calls for, matter of fact, sweet onions, Valdez onions. This is what I'm using. I don't know if it matters or not. I have no clue. 2.5 cups, y'all. And try to dye some kind of small Mine ain't that great. I was in a hurry. Just want to mix this in the batter. Like so. I could have chopped them a little bit finer, y'all, but I did. It's gonna be alright. I think you ought to get about, I don't know, maybe 5 out of this. Yeah, I could have chopped them a lot finer. Too late now, they in there. Alright, let me get gloved up and we're gonna make some onion fritters. I need to make them in some kind of ball. Stay tuned. Hope y'all still with me. Alright, let's get this started. I did go back and add a little more flour, y'all. Just a little bit. I'm gonna say about maybe close to a tennis ball size. And it still ain't sticking like I thought it would, but I'm gonna make do with it. I'll probably add in another 1/4 cup. And then I say it's gonna get out here 5. No, it's gonna be more like, I don't know, it might be 6. Let's see. What I'm gonna do, I think the easy way to do this is just leave them like they are and get my grease hot, throw them down in the grease and mash them down. Ooh, I'm glad I put on some gloves. There's 5 of them right there, y'all. 5 of them. I got all my messes cleaned up. We ain't gonna worry. The only thing I gotta worry about now is this bowl. And I can get it later. I can get it while the grease is getting hot. I think all I'm gonna be using is what is it? Crisco vegetable oil. Just a little bit left in here. I don't know which one's the smallest one, maybe the first one I made. There we go. What I'm talking about. Alright. Alright, I'll bring y'all back in a few minutes and the cooking oil gets hot. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all. I think the grease is hot enough. Let me show y'all how to tell. Take the guesswork out of it. Watch this. See it fry? That means it's done. Not done, but ready. Just gently put them in there. They may flatten out on their own. It's hot now. Shouldn't take long to cook these, y'all. Ooh, that's smelling good. I got one more to squeeze in there. One more. Clean some of this stuff off the plate here. Alright, I'll turn this heat down a little bit. I don't want to scorch it. Move it. I'm just gently pressing down. Could have made them a little bit smaller, I think. Right now I got the grease. I had it on medium high. I turned it down to medium low and just splashed grease all over the doggone stove. I'm gonna get this piece out so it won't burn. Alright, I'll bring y'all back in a little while when it's time to flip them. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, look like it's time to flip them up. See how they're getting brown around the edges? Need to turn it up just a little bit more. Let's see what we got. Yeah, some more grease on the stove. My goodness. Uh-oh. I saved it. I saved it. I'm gonna flip them. I'm just gonna squeeze them out just a little bit more. Make sure them things get done. These things turned out a lot bigger than I thought they would. I reckon if you're feeding for a large crowd or something or other, you like this, you can double the recipe. I was wondering if I was going to have enough oil. I think I got too much. There's some more grease, y'all. One more. Some more grease. My goodness. Alright. I just got through uploading a video about an hour or so ago on some homemade soup I made. Make sure to check that out. This time of year, you know, comfort food. It takes a while. Ain't one of them meals you're gonna prepare 30, 40 minutes or something. I think it took me a couple, 2-3 hours, but it turned out great. Matter of fact, that's probably what I'm gonna have for supper tonight. Some leftover soup and some onion fritters. Alright, I'll bring y'all back when it's time to do the taste test. Alright, y'all. That's what it looks like. Well, I guess I can show you the other side. I got a little too done, but that's alright. I screwed up. I had one to fall apart on. Not bad at all. Need some more salt. Should add more salt to it. Crispy. Try a little bit of ketchup on it, y'all. I wonder how this would be if I put some shredded hash browns in it. Maybe cook it the same way, less onions. That sounds like another recipe coming up, don't it? Alright, appreciate y'all watching. Till next time.